Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to start chapter 2, Reproduction in Plant. All living organisms are capable of giving birth to the young one which are exactly same or either someone similar to them. Can you tell me what is this process of giving birth and offspring? The process is called reproduction. In simple terms, process in which living organisms give birth to an offspring which is same or similar to them. Now when I see organism, it should include plant as well? Yes, of course. When we see new plant emerging from a seed, when sown in a ground, where does this seed come from? It comes from some plant, right? Absolutely, but wait, have you seen all the plant always giving us flower, fruits and seeds? No, there are many plants that do not give flower and fruit. So do not need plants reproduce or they do reproduce by other means. Answer all these questions is present in this video. Reproduction in plant can occur in two major ways. Type 1 is asexual reproduction, type 2 is sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction, as name suggests, involves sex cell known as gametes. So a new independent individual is born. When gametes come from both male and female parents fuse. Now can you guess what is asexual reproduction? Asexual reproduction does not involve gametes. It is a type in which some part of the body will be capable of growing into new organism. Interesting, isn't it? But which part of parent body will grow into new organism? Based on the various factors, asexual reproduction is further categorized into four types. The vegetative propagation, fermentation, budding, spore formations. This is whole summary from the chapter 2. Now come to the exercise questions.